Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My channel is all about investing in the stock market, crypto market, and personal finance. If this is your first time in my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and turn on your notifications for the next video. And today I'm going to have a listing of all the stocks that have been down for 60 to 80% from its all-time high. And we're going to go over this list and find the most undervalued stock on this list to position in for this downturn. So just like Warren Buffett say, be fearful when others are greedy. So when others greedy, so you have to be fearful. So for example, right, last year, every single small cap tech company specs are 5x, 10x. So at that time, when people are greedy, what you should do, right? So you should be fearful. You should exit your position and hold on cash like to buy a dip, right? You know, as a human being nature, people's always being greedy. That is why a lot of people that lose money in the stock markets. So when you see a portfolio profit, it keep going, and you never take profit, right? First thing on my experience on trading and investing, and make sure take profit on the right time. Protect your profit because stocks never gonna go up and up. It's always gonna be retracement, right? So at this time, when the market retrace and in the correction, so what you should do, when people are fearful, you should be greedy, right? So when people are dumping the stocks, what you should do, you should go over the listings and pick the one that is undervalued for the good reasons to position in for the long term, right? So that way so for example, right? So right now it's just like Christmas time, right? You go to the mall and you see every single shop, big sale discount side up there saying that, hey, the whole store is 30%. Now the whole store is 60% off. And now the store is 70% off. And that's the time that you should buy, right? And when you go to the mall, you would never want to buy there's no discount. And you would never want to buy there's a new arrival, right? Because that's the most expensive time that you buy. So just treat it, the stock market, like you go shopping for yourself, okay? So right now, this is what it is on the market right now. Majority of the stock are down half, 60%, 70%, 80% from its all-time high. First, we're going to look at two things first before we jump into the listing, okay? So the first thing we want to talk about why I think this is a good time buying opportunity right now, okay? And also, this is not a financial advice. So let's go ahead and take a look at the put-call ratio. Look at this chart right here. So when you see on March 2020, that's the spike, right? So when you see the put-call ratio jumping up real high right here, and this chart right here, you also compare to the SP500 and IWM, right? You see IWM and SP500 drop significantly because the pandemic, because the COVID, right? Put call ratio, it jumps up. So what does that mean is there's a lot of people buying a put option at that time and the stock market goes like crashing down, right? So they try to protect their downside, right? So what happened? And after you see all that, the reversal comes, right? The reversal comes, as soon as the reversal comes, the put call ratio is start dropping, right? So this is a good indicator right here that when you see the put call ratio on the bottom, that means it's a good buying opportunity, on the equity market, right? And when you look forward right now, you see the put call option right here that you see more people buying put option right here that you see the little spike up right here, at the end. But also might not be the end, right? This might not be the final dip, right? But you can see the put call ratio is going up right here. See, when you see the put call ratio going up right here, and you see SP500 and IWM start tanking, right? That is the correlation right here. That's the signal right here that, a lot of people already placing in put options and a lot of people want to protecting the downside, and the SP500 and IWM already breaking down. That is the good signal that the reversal might come, right? The reversal might come. As soon as you see the put call ratio slowing down, then that's the time that the reversal really gonna happen. The second indicator, I want you guys to take at the AAII sentiment survey, okay? So this survey is very important. So when you see the AAII sentiment survey right here, when you see March 2020, you see it hit the rock bottom right here. After that, after the pandemic, it bounced right back, right? As today, you can also see that U.S. investor sentiments always, is also at the bottom, just like what happened in March 2020. So that's also an indicator that, we might be hitting the bottom right here. Sentiment survey and also the call put ratios, and they give you more indicator that the reversal might come in weeks or months, right? Okay, now let's look at the listing that I found on Twitter from Tom Nash. So this listing is very interesting, okay? And you see this listing right here that You know, those most tech company that down 65 to 90 something percent. Okay, as you see, DocuSign is 65% down. Okay, and also going down to the list, SE is also a really good. You know, SE is also a really good e-commerce company, down 66%. Right? Square, SQ down 66%. Square is one of the largest payment system, right? Down 66%. PayPal is also down 66%. PayPal is one of the popular stock, you know, also in the payment industry, right? CPNG is also an e-commerce stock that is also down 67%. You know, it was IPO not too long ago. And Beyond Meat, BYND is also down 69%. And Beyond Meat was one of the popular stock. OPNE, Open Door down 69%. Right now the real estate market is so hot, right? Open Door is a platform that you can buy and sell houses, right? So this stock's also down 69%, okay? And PINS is also down 73%. Okay, DraftKings DKNG is also down 75%. And this is one of the biggest popular online sport and gambling platform. Okay, Affirm AFRM is also down 79%. FUBO, FUBO is also down 81%. And this is also one of the very popular stock back in the day. SPCE down 85%. And I had the video talking about it last time. And if you haven't seen it, go back and click the link to see it. Robinhood, HOOD down 86%. Right now it's $11. And majority of the beginner traders, they also, you know, they use Robinhood. You know, one of you guys might also have the Robinhood account, right? It's right now sitting at $11. Its all-time high was at $80 something. Wish, WISH down 91%. And this is one of my favorite stock. But right now it's trading at $2 and it's trading at a cash value. If you know, its all-time high was $32, $35 and it's trading at its cash value. Never see this before. And the market is being really crazy. You know, this stock is trading at a cash value. Clover, CLOV, down 93%. And this stock, it used to be a Reddit stock that is very popular, meme stock. And this stock is down 93% right now. I hope this listing helps you guys to, you know, to do more research and do more due diligence and find the best one that you think that is undervalued. But there's a lot of good stock in here that should not be in this low level, should not be bidding down for 90%, should not be bidding down for 80%. And this is the time for you to do your research and pick the right ones to change your life. Okay guys, I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe and like and turn on your notifications for the next video. Thank you guys.